Wearing white,
that's Manny Pacquiao, baby.
officially weighing 134 1/2 pounds. His professional record, 46 victories, including 34 knockouts, with 3 defeats and 2 bouts in. From General Santos City, Philippines, the challenger, 3-time world champion, the current WBC super champion of the world, Manny Pacman Pacquiao. And fighting out of the red
Wala na labot. Ramsey!
with red and green, official weight 135 pounds, an outstanding professional record. This 1996 Olympian now has 30
Pacquiao fans.
17 knockouts.
What did you say?
Second round.
Alright.
From the Windy City, Chicago, Illinois.
Oh yeah, it's Jojo. Pacquiao. 1, 2. Pacquiao.
Champion of the world. Dangerous.
Dangerous. Oh, dangerous daw. Oh, naguba, narawad. Dangerous. Yeah. Tawagan na ulit. Yan na. Kalawang Pacquiao. Right there. Dangerous.
Tawag si Pacquiao, guy.
I love you, Pacquiao. What's up, man?